Hi everyone, welcome to my channel BR Knowledge School. In this video, I will discuss about most popular edible mushroom varieties and their health benefits. Generally, mushrooms are found in wild forest floor during rainy season. It is very difficult to identify the edible mushrooms from poisonous varieties. Without the help of a mycologist or mushroom specialist, you cannot identify easily. Many mushrooms are deadly poisonous. It can destroy the organs and some may be fatal, even causes death. So always bring mushrooms from an authentic source. Nowadays, many edible mushroom varieties are cultivated and marketed. These are safe to eat. A mushroom is the fleshy spore-bearing fruiting body of a fungus which grows above the ground on soil or its food source. It is generally considered meat of the vegetable world. Mushrooms are used extensively in cooking and many palatable dishes are made from them. These are loaded with nutrients. They are rich in proteins, fibers, minerals and many vitamins. They are also rich in antioxidants. They are low in calories. These are few edible mushrooms. Number 1. White button mushrooms. Agaricus bisporus. It is the most consumed variety in India, also known as campignon mushroom. It can be eaten in raw form or mildly cooked. Extensively used in pizza, soups, salads, etc. Matured white button mushrooms that looks brown in color is called portobello mushroom. Number 2. Oyster mushrooms, Pleurotus ostreatus. It is a widely cultivated mushroom throughout the world. It looks like oyster or fan shaped. It lowers cholesterol, boosts heart health, improves immunity. Number 3. Paddy straw mushrooms. Paddy straw mushrooms are easiest to cultivate. First cultivated in India in the year 1940. It has natural insulin that is good for diabetics. Vitamin D present in it strengthens bones and prevents anemia. Number 4. Earth star mushroom, Geostrum species. These are mainly found in Jharkhand and Odisha. In Jharkhand, it is commonly known as Rugdu or Puttu in local language. In Odisha, it is known as Boda Chattu in local language. There are two varieties of earth star mushrooms. One is white and the other is black. Black one is more tastier than white varieties. It is rich in vitamin and minerals which is good for anemia, blood pressure and diabetes. Number 5. Shiitake mushrooms, Lentinula edodis. It is known for its anti-caries property. It is helpful in high BP, diabetes, infection and hepatic disorders. Number 6. Enoki or Enoki mushroom, Flammulina veluteps, commonly known as golden needle or velvet stem. Its color is slightly golden or yellowish. It has anti-cancerous and anti-inflammatory effects. Number 7. Morel mushroom, commonly known as Gucci. These are the most costly mushrooms. It contains highest amounts of vitamin D among all the edible mushrooms. These are mainly found in Himalayan forests. It is very difficult to cultivate. Number 8. Porcini mushrooms, which belongs to family Boletaceae. It has a brown cap and thick white stem. It contains a compound called ergosterol and glutathione, which gives immunity to the body. It has anti-aging property. Researchers found that in the future, these two compounds may be helpful in Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Number 9. Mytec mushroom, Grifola frondosa, commonly known as hen of the woods. It is rich in beta-glucans which boosts immunity. It is rich in chitin, polyphenols, selenium which makes liver strong and helps in weight loss. Number 10. Golden cantarella mushrooms, Cantharellus cibarius. These are mainly found in wild forms. It is good for our eyes and lungs. It has antioxidants. It helps in wound healing. Number 11. Shimeji mushroom, Pleurotus ostreatus. It prevents tumors and osteoporosis, boosts immunity and healing power. Number 12. Lingji mushrooms, Ganoderma lucidum. It is also known as reishi. It has a large kidney-shaped cap and woody texture. It is generally used in traditional medicines for treating diabetes, hypertension, insomnia, arthritis, asthma, ulcer, hepatitis and nephritis. Number 13. Lion's mane mushroom or Hericium erinaceus. It is native to North America, Europe and Asia. It is a large white saggy mushroom that resembles a lion's mane. So its name is lion's mane mushroom. It helps to relieve depression and anxiety, dementia and also helps speedy recovery of nervous system injuries. It also reduces the risk of heart disease. So these are some of the most popular edible mushrooms of India and their health benefits. These are eaten for their great taste and health benefits from time immemorial. Please like and share this video. If you are new to my channel or not subscribed it yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.